Looking to paint your home? Well, look no further. With 30 years of business under our belts, we have experience you can trust. One Stop is licensed in home improvement contracting, and we're fully insured. And our staff are all trained employees, not subcontractors. We have free estimates, customized to your project's unique needs. Expert washing and cleaning prior to the coating application, allowing ample time for the wood to dry after the cleaning. Our expert on-staff carpenter will replace rotten or broken wood as needed. We are truly your one-stop. We then remove any loose coating and caulk all gaps to prevent moisture penetration. Choosing the specific products based on your needs is also key to a great job done. From preparation to painting, let our team show you why we have been the South Shore's award-winning one-stop for quality painting and service since 1986.